Hey guys, welcome to what's happening down on Boddington Farm. It is a glorious, yes glorious, you heard me right, look at the skies. My camera is getting all wet. I've been trying to come out all day to get some video. We're having some absolutely amazing soaking rain. It is great. You can almost hear the plants singing. Hasn't been a huge total, but it's actually soaking in. Let's go down the back. I need to go and collect eggs. So let's go. Must be raining. Agent didn't ride his bike today. Bit of a wuss, huh? So, well, nearly knocked it over. All right, let's go see what the chickens are up to. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. As you can see, look, it's all just soaking in beautifully. Look, mud. Hey, girls. What you doing? What you doing? Are you enjoying all the rain? Are you enjoying the rain? Yeah? Is the rain good today? Huh? What? Say hello. Gotta say hello to everybody. Good girls. Yes, they're good girls. How them chickies going? Hello, chickies. Hello, chickies. Hello, Natalia. How are your babies doing? How are them bubbas doing? They're growing up, aren't they? Yeah. You're not proud of them much, are you? Yeah, chickies are doing good. We're kind of thinking we've got 2 hens and 1 roux. We think that one there's a roux. And Little Peanut is a hen, and so is that one there, we think. But we hope Little Peanut is. We're going to keep her if she is. And what is your problem? Or are you complaining that I didn't come down with treats? Huh? Is that your problem? I didn't come down with treats? Well, let's see. It depends on what your egg production's like. I might get you some. Have you got any eggs in here for me today? Have you? What's in there? We've got 1. And we've got, what, another 4 there. So a 5-egg day. Not bad, girls. Not bad, girls. You're doing a good job. So, yeah, there you go. It's all looking nice and green. As I said, totals aren't huge, but it's a beautiful soaking rain, which is awesome. Everything's just not running off the top. So there you go. Beautiful rainy day that we haven't had in a long, long time. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell. And we'll catch you next time. See ya.